Hi friends, go to isa.org, click on self-service portal. Then you will be redirected to SSP portal. Fill all the details of the login. User ID, membership, where password was received on the email or SMS at the time of creating first time user login. Then on the member is successfully login, following screen will come in the dashboard. Members, click here to access the SSP portal. Click on that one. Next, once the member will click on the above link, following screen will come to the member, then click on My Membership. By clicking My Membership, following screen will appear to the member. Click on the Annual Membership or COP Renewal in the Member module. See the boxes which are highlighted with the red color. After clicking on the Annual Membership or COP Renewal, then you will be redirected to the another personal details. Following screen will appear to the member where the member can see the renewal details, personal details, payment details. Select annual membership renewal. For GST in, members are required to use for profile edit the GST in number before payment, the renewal fee. If you want to know how to edit the profile, let's watch. You have to watch the video which I am giving in the description. In the personal details, membership ID, member name, current member status, current COP status, member type, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, all will be there. Annual renewal for, you click on that one. Benevolent fund, click on that one. Those are benefits to CA members. I am giving the video link in the description of the video, in this video. Next, click SS if you want to get any benefits from ICII, financial, medical, etc. Home insurance, all benefits will be there in the benevolent fund. System will ask if you want to make for the advanced payment. If yes, system will ask for the selected years for the advance payment, 1 year or 2 years. Annual renewal fees, annual members, how many years you want to pay advance mean you have to select on that one. If no, system will by default consider for the current year. That means only 1 year. Click on the no. Next, you will see the another tab, that is system will ask for the benevolent fund. Select yes or no. If yes, will ask you for annual or lifetime or voluntary, and accordingly payments would be added. Benevolent fund means benefits to the CA members. Lot of benefits are there. You can please choose yes. My suggestion is to choose yes. If you don't want it, if no, system will not ask for further details. Select journal details, e-journal. If you want e-journal or physical copy, payment amount would be updated accordingly on the basis of the selection. If you want e-journal, no extra amount would be added. Then click on the next button after selecting the options. Payment details section would display the fee description on the basis of the selected by members in the previous tab, renewal details. Click on I agree and submit fee payment. Check all the details once. And if you are satisfied, then click I agree. Otherwise, you do modifications. Click I agree and click submit. For any update or change, click on the button and modify the details selected. For GSTN details, members are required to update the GSTN number in the profile update section. Refer user manual. Once GSTN details are verified and approved, members would see the payment in the payment section. On click and submit, system will ask for confirmation. Once submitted, members are not allowed to edit the details. So check everything before you submit. How to edit the profile? I am giving the link in the description of the video. You please see that one and edit your profile if you want to edit the GSTN details. After checking all the details, finally I agree and click submit button. System will ask you for the OTP or captcha verification. Once the payment is done, system will generate the payment slip and it would be available in the member dashboard. Thank you.